Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make magic transformation video in a CapCut. So I have two pictures here. This is Lisa Blackpink again. The first I will go into the effects and then click video effects. And after that, going to details and then I will choose this magic transformation. Click save. And we will see the result first. So I have to match the duration at here and extend the duration of the magic transformation. So we will see the result first. And after that, I will choose a video effects again and choose the fairy dust. Click save. So this is the result. We also can adding the sound effects. Click on the audio, click on the effects, and then going to magic. And after that, you can click on the magic refill or magic sound. I will choose magic refill. And we can see the result again. So this is the result. So this is how to make magic transformation of videos in CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.